The 2023 BMW X6 M is an impressive vehicle in terms of performance. Equipped with a 4.4-liter V8 twin-turbo engine, it produces 600 horsepower in the standard model and 617 horsepower in the competition model. This powerful engine delivers 750 nanometers of torque and accelerates the vehicle from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Its top speed is electronically limited to 250 km/h, but can be increased to 290 km per hour with the mDrivers package. An 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system provide an excellent driving experience. At the heart of the 2023 BMW X6 M, a 4.4-liter BMW M twin-power turbo V8 engine. This engine offers high performance and efficiency. With 600 horsepower and 750 nanometers of torque, it delivers exceptional power. In the competition model, the engine's power increases to 617 horsepower. Equipped with technologies such as twin turbocharging, direct fuel injection, and variable valve control, this engine excels in both performance and fuel efficiency. The interior design of the 2023 BMW X6 M combines luxury and sportiness. It features high-quality materials, leather upholstery, and detailed craftsmanship. Sport seats provide superior comfort for the driver and passengers. A large digital dashboard and iDrive infotainment system are user-friendly and rich in technology. Additionally, a premium sound system, spacious interior, and various comfort features enhance the driving experience. The 2023 BMW X6 M boasts a dynamic and muscular exterior design that immediately catches the eye. Its athletic lines and broad shoulders convey a sense of power and agility. The aggressive front grille, featuring BMW's iconic kidney design, is flanked by sleek LED headlights that offer both a modern aesthetic and enhanced visibility. Large air intakes on the front bumper not only contribute to the sporty appearance, but also improve aerodynamics and cooling efficiency. The sculpted hood and sharp character lines running along the sides add to the vehicle's imposing stance. The sloping roofline, characteristic of the X6e's coupe SUV design, merges seamlessly with the rear, giving the car a distinctive silhouette that stands out in its segment. At the rear, the dual exhaust outlets integrated into the bumper emphasize the performance credentials of the X6 M, while the LED taillights provide a cohesive and contemporary look. The X6 M is available in a variety of bold and sophisticated colors, including exclusive M-specific shades. Options for exterior trims and finishes, such as carbon fiber elements, allow for further personalization and enhance the luxurious feel. The price of the 2023 BMW X6 M varies based on the trim level and additional features. The starting price for the standard model is approximately $110,000. With the competition model and additional options, this price can increase further. As a luxury and high-performance SUV, the X6 M's price aligns with the features and performance it offers.